How to recover a Meta restricted business account. Now, of course, the very first thing that you'll have to do is to identify where the issue or where the restriction is coming from. The very first option that you could go is either locate directly from account review, or if that specific option is not visible on your Meta Business Suite, all I have to do is just to go into the search icon right here, and then from here, just simply type in support business. From here, you just have to choose on business support home, which will be under the tools field. You will automatically be redirected to track any concerns that you have submitted to your Meta Business Suite account. For example, on this one, say for example, your account has been restricted. All I have to do from here is to check or choose on account restriction and then see if review account is available. If not, you just simply need to go into this field right here that says account review, because you will always be provided with a certain type of resolution for you to be able to check each of the settings that you have from your account. But take note that it is also usually ask for a certain type of security on your end for verification and security purposes. So those are the things that you need to do for you to be able to recover your Meta Business Suite account.